Hello friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's discuss some special areas of human brain. Okay, so these are the that special area: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Okay, so these are the special area which ultimately help in the various kind of function. Okay, so along with that, this limbic lobe is also playing a particularly for the various kind of functions. Okay, that is emotional behaviors like activity. There is control by our limbic system. Okay, so these are the special areas which ultimately control our different system of the body. Okay, or you can say different function of our cognitive function. Okay, the frontal lobe, ultimately the frontal lobe is the area of brain responsible for higher cognitive function. Okay, so these include the problem solving, okay, spontaneity, memory, language, motivation, judgment, impulse control, and social and sexual behavior. Okay, these are the particularly behavior, or these are the character. Okay, that is controlled by our frontal lobe. Okay, which is the most particularly front part of our cerebrum. Okay, then temporal lobe, ultimately two lobe रहते हैं. Okay, the temporal lobe plays a role in the emotional, okay, and is also responsible for smelling, tasting, perception, memory, understanding the music, aggressiveness, okay, and sexual behavior. Okay, these are the particularly function, or you can say character. Okay, this control by our temporal lobe. Okay, the temporal lobe also contain the language area of the brain, that is called as our particular wrinkles area. Okay, the parietal lobe play a role in our sensation of the touch, smell, and taste. Okay, it also process the sensory and spatial awareness. Okay, spatial awareness means the proper movements, or you can say proper gazing of anything. Okay, that is called as spatial awareness, and is key component in eye-hand coordination. Okay, and arm movements. Okay, that is nothing but the whatever we are saying. We are not we are able to see that particular thing properly, or we are guessing something else. Okay, that is nothing but the eye coordination or eye hand coordination. Okay, arm movements. The parietal lobe also contain a special area that is called as a wrinkles area. Okay, और जो भी यहाँ पे टेम्पोरल लोब जो एरिया था लैंग्वेज के लिए वो हमारा ब्रोकास एरिया था. ओके, नॉट अ रिंकल्स एरिया, दैट इज ऑफ ब्रोकास एरिया. ओके, पैराइटल लोब में अल्टीमेटली रिंकल्स एरिया रहता है जो क्या करता है, जो भी कोई पर्सन स्पीक करता है उसको वो रिकॉग्नाइज करता है. ओके, और यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि जो भी लिखा हुआ रहता है नोटबुक या फिर टेक्स्ट बुक में, तो उसको पढ़ने के बाद वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बराबर नहीं होता है. दैट इज ऑल्सो कंट्रोल बाय रिंकल्स एरिया. ओके, तो रिंकल्स एरिया इज एन एरिया प्रेजेंट इन द पैराइटल लोब एंड दैट अल्टीमेटली हेल्प इन द मैचिंग रिटर्न वर्ड्स विद द साउंड ऑफ स्पोकन स्पीच. ओके, दिस इज द कंट्रोल बाय पैराइटल लोब. ओके, occipital lobe, the occipital lobe is a rear of the brain and control vision and recognition. Okay, the visual cortex is ultimately found in the occipital lobe and thus is help in the vision. Okay, limbic lobe, ultimately these are the limbic area which is ultimately deepest part of the brain. The limbic lobe is located deep in the brain and make a limbic system which ultimately help in the various kind of emotional behavior. Okay, vision, ultimately I have told to you, that is a control by our occipital lobe. Okay, the visual cortex reside in the occipital lobe of the brain. Sensory impulse travel from the eye via the optic nerve to the visual cortex. Okay, these are the visual cortex. Okay, and damage to the visual cortex can result in the blindness. Okay, or injury to this particular side of occipital lobe. Okay, or injury to the occipital lobe may result in the blindness. Okay, taste is perceived by our particularly the gustatory complex which present at this site. Okay, और you can say the green circle जो यहाँ पे indicated है. Okay, the gustatory complex is a part of the sensory cortex that is responsible for the taste. Okay, you can see that this is our parietal lobe area. Okay, cognition, that is nothing but the prefrontal cortex. Okay, prefrontal cortex is involved in the intellectual, complex, learning and personality. Okay, that is nothing but the cognition function, that is of, again this is the function of frontal lobe, but prefrontal our area, or you can say prefrontal cortex. Okay, that is control over cognition. Emotion, I told to you, emotion is controlled by our limbic system. Okay, and prefrontal cortex. Okay, the emotion are an extremely complex brain function. The emotional core of the brain is limbic system. Okay, and this is where senses and awareness are first processed in the brain. Okay, mood and personality are mediated through the prefrontal cortex. Okay, where the prefrontal this development of the prefrontal cortex, or the myelination of this prefrontal cortex, okay, that is done after the 18 plus year. Okay, that's why a person not able to think. Okay, they doing a kind of various kind of suicidal attempt. Okay, when they are in 18 or less than 18, okay, because their prefrontal cortex that ultimately decides the emotional behavior, or you can say the decision behavior, okay, that is not of prefrontal cortex, okay. तो अल्टीमेटली दिस पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन इज द सेंटर ऑफ द हायर कॉग्निटिव एंड इमोशनल फंक्शन, ओके, लिम्बिक सिस्टम जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, एंड प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स, ओके। स्पीच के लिए ब्रोकास एरिया मैंने आपको बताया जो कि टेम्पोरल लोब का पार्ट है हमारा। ब्रोकास एरिया इज अ वेयर वी फॉर्मुलेट द स्पीच, ओके, और द पर्सन एबल टू स्पीच, ओके, एंड इंजरी टू दिस ब्रोकास एरिया कैन डिफिकल्ट इन द स्पीकिंग, ओके, पर्सन नॉट एबल टू स्पीक प्रॉपरली, okay, there are number of cases where the person are having a problem or having a trouble in speaking, okay, that is due to the injury to this part, okay, that is called the Broca's area, which ultimately present in the temporal lobe of the cerebrum, okay. So injury to the Broca's area can result in the difficulty in the speaking. The individual may know that what word he or she wishes to speak, but unable to do so, okay. That's why I told you that nothing but Broca's area is nothing but area which ultimately regulates a kind of speaking area, okay, or you can say for the speaking purpose that area is required, okay. लैंग्वेज परसेप्शन के लिए जैसे मैंने आपको बताया रिंकल्स एरिया इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज अल्टीमेटली प्रेजेंट अ पोर्शन ऑफ द पैराइटल लोब दैट रिकॉग्नाइज and understand written and spoken language, okay, that is called as a particularly language area, or you can say wrinkles area surrounds the auditory association area, okay, this is the auditory association area, और उस पर्टिकुलरली एरिया में रिंकल्स एरिया रहता है, ओके, दैट अल्टीमेटली हेल्प इन द पर्टिकुलरली ऑडिटरी सेंसेशन, ओके। डैमेज टू दिस पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन कैन रिजल्ट इन द समवन्स हियरिंग स्पीच बट नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ओके। तो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ अगेन द केसेस वेयर अ पर्सन आर सेइंग आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग वट एवर द पर्सन स्पीक, ओके, दैट इज नथिंग बट द रिंकल्स एरिया, ओके। तो फॉर द लैंग्वेज परसेप्शन, ओके, और यू कैन से रिंकल्स एरिया एंड ब्रोकास एरिया जो था वो स्पीकिंग के लिए पर्पस स्पीच के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, ओके, फॉर द स्पीकिंग पर्पस ब्रोकास एरिया इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड फॉर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग वट एवर द पर्सन स्पीक दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अवर रिंकल्स एरिया, ओके, विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द अराउंड द ऑडिटरी एसोसिएशन एरिया, ओके। हियरिंग के लिए अगेन देर आर टू ऑडिटरी एरियाज ऑफ द ब्रेन, द प्राइमरी ऑडिटरी एरिया दैट इज इंडिकेटेड बाय दिस ब्राउन सर्कल, ओके, and is what detects the sounds that are transmitted from the ear. It is located in the sensory cortex area, okay. सेंसरी कॉर्टेक्स एरिया और मोटर कॉर्टेक्स एरिया जो भी है एरिया, ये दो एरिया जो स्पेशल एरिया हम द सेरेब्रम, ओके, तो वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में शो करूँगा। द ऑडिटरी एसोसिएशन एरिया, देखिए दिस इज नथिंग बट द आवर पर्पल सर्कल, ओके, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ऑडिटरी एसोसिएशन एरिया यहाँ पे ये हमारा है, ओके, एंड इन दैट सेम में ऑडिटरी एसोसिएशन एरिया हमारा क्या है, ये पर्पल में रिप्रेजेंट किया गया, इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन दैट इज यूज टू रिकॉग्नाइज द साउंड एज स्पीच, म्यूजिक और नॉइस, ओके, दिस इज फॉर द हियरिंग पर्पज, ओके। तो फॉर हियरिंग देर आर टू पर्टिकुलरली area, okay, that is hearing ultimately again the language, okay, damage to this part of the brain can result in the someone's hearing speech but not understanding, okay, again this is two that contribute, okay, in the wrinkles area, okay, that ultimately again this help area help in the hearing, okay. Motor cortex and sensory cortex, okay, this is the last two slide of our today's class. The motor cortex, the motor portion of the cerebrum is ultimately represented by these red circles, okay. The lighted red area is a premotor cortex, okay, the lighted red area, this is the premotor cortex which is ultimately responsible for the repetitive motion of the learned motor skills, okay, repetitive motion of learned motor skill. The dark red area, okay, the dark red area is a primary motor area, okay, and is responsible for the control of the skeletal muscle, okay. So you can understand this area is ultimately helping in the repetitive motion of learned motor skill, okay, and this area is ultimately helping in the particularly control of the skeletal muscle, okay. The different area of the brain are associated with the different part of the body, okay. Injury to the motor cortex can result in the motor disturbance in the associated part, okay. So this is about the motor cortex. Sensory cortex, that is represented by this particular brown color. The sensory cortex is of cerebrum is represented by this particular brown color, or not brown color, purple color, okay. The different area of the brain are associated with the different part of the body as can be seen below, okay. You can see that particular whatever that function is performing, okay, the movement of the hands, or you can say the sensation of the taste, or you can say particularly the movements of the eyeball वगैरह, okay. तो इंजरी टू द सेंसरी कॉर्टेक्स कैन रिजल्ट इन द सेंसरी डिस्टर्बेंस इन द एसोसिएटेड पार्ट, ओके. तो जो भी यहाँ पे नर्व या फिर जो भी यहाँ पे ट्रैक्स वगैरह रहेंगे हमारे क्रैनियल नर्व्स के, ओके। तो वो अगर डैमेज हो जाएंगे तो अल्टीमेटली सेंसरी कॉर्टेक्स का ये एरिया है और यहीं से अल्टीमेटली हमारे बहुत सारे सेंसरीज जो नर्व्स होते हैं दैट इज ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉर्टेक्स, ओके। और जो मोटर कॉर्टेक्स रहता है अल्टीमेटली दैट इज ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, ओके। दैट इज नथिंग बट आवर द स्पेशल एरियाज ऑफ द ब्रेन, ओके। तो अल्टीमेटली आपको यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज और हियरिंग के लिए जो लैंग्वेज एरिया और जो हियरिंग एरिया है ना, दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, ओके। थैंक यू।